All right, everybody. Today I'm gonna talk about my distance sensor, my ultrasonic distance sensor that I've connected to my Arduino. Um, First of all, the way I connected it was like I connected the ground wire to the ground pin in the Arduino. I connected the 5-volt pin on this sensor to the 5-volt pin on the Arduino. This needs power. Without these two wires, it will not work. The remaining pin I connect the signal pin, I connected to the number 7 pin on the Arduino. Let's get this going. Okay, so the way I've coded this here, here, you can see as you drag the ball away from you can see this in the serial monitor, the values in the serial monitor go up. Drag it up. And if I push it closer, the value in the serial monitor goes down. Here is the code that I use to post those values to the serial monitor. Um, my program includes some variables and a function which is referenced inside the main part of the program. I do some math on this variable. I assign it to that variable. I do some more math, assign it to inches, and I spit this out to the serial monitor. I've added some more logic here, an if statement. This if this program, if this object gets closer than 15 inches, this LED right here will go off. So let's watch this. Close. Look, LED's on. Um, this project is this setup, this sensor rather, is very sensitive in its own particular field of vision. But once you get out of that field of vision, it starts losing its effectiveness, right? So if I travel out here, look at it's about 238 now. I'm going to stay on the same distance. If I come out here, look, it jacks out to 336, right? The way this works is that one of these guys sends out an inaudible sound. Humans can't hear it out in front of it, its path. And it waits for a reflection. If there's some object in front of it, those sound waves will bounce off and be collected by this guy right here. And depending on how close or far you are, it sends back a signal into our Arduino program. But it's the weaknesses are if you get very close. Look, it starts going up to 336. That's obviously not correct. If you get very far, you're out of its field of vision. It's not correct. Or if you're too far to the side. So those are the weaknesses and something to think about as I create my as I write my program for a robot that's constantly moving and constantly changing directions.